Comanchero were traders in the American Southwest during the late 1700s. They were individuals, men of great daring do, if you will, who had moved either north from Mexico or west from the eastern United States and found that there was an opportunity to do a brisk trade with the Native American tribes located in the southwestern United States. And what they did was they traded manufactured goods to the Indians for food, skins, buffalo hides, all of those things that the Native Americans could provide, while in turn the Comancheros provided guns, ammunition, knives, and of course, whiskey. So I have a knife called a Comanchero that reflects a lot of those historic values. And here it is. So it's a blend of what I call American technology with legacy roots all the way back to those days when men depended on a knife not only as a tool, but sometimes something that they could use to save their own lives. It features a magna cut blade with a Bowie-esque style blade shape. It's got our wave feature on it, our deep choil feature, a trademark of Emerson knives. It's got a beautiful ergonomic handle that fits perfect in your hand if you have to do any type of hard use with it. It's an Emerson, so it's not just something to look at, it's something to use.